my last day in Kenya for a while because me and this little baby, we are leaving for West Africa at 4 a.m. So less than 24 hours. Today's busy. I'm gonna do my hair, my nails, my eyebrows, my lashes, get ready for the road, and then I'm gonna go see some of my friends before I leave for a couple months. And this is it.
So as soon as I got back to Nairobi from Diani, we had less than 30 hours for our flight to our next destination. The next day, we woke up super early because I had so much to do. I made sure that we will be the first clients to do our hair. So we got there at 9 a.m. before anybody else, and we were in fact the first clients. The best part about a retwist is definitely the wash. She spent at least 30 minutes washing my hair, and I really needed it. Of course, I had to make sure that my baby looked fly before we leave too.
So I've been back to Nairobi for a couple hours. Less than 12 hours. We came back yesterday and I'm leaving tomorrow for West Africa. So I did make the decision that I was not going to stay in Kenya and I was going to go visit West Africa for 2-3 months before coming back to Kenya. I find my next place. So if you didn't watch my last video, all my furniture are currently in a storage and I was trying to see what I was going to do next. So last week I decided to go to Diani and have the beach life, and I absolutely loved it. We came back yesterday because I booked my flight to West Africa. Listen, I do not have a set plan because I never do when I travel. I'm a slow traveler. I always go with I never have a return ticket. So I'm thinking, when I think about a country I want to go, there's Senegal, Gambia, maybe Cape Verde if it's possible. I'm thinking about Cote d'Ivoire, Benin, Togo, Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon. Those are the countries I'm thinking about, but that doesn't mean I'm going to do them all. I might do them all. I might skip some of them because as much as I love Africa, Africa can be very frustrated to travel within countries in the continent. So depending of the cost, my itinerary might change. I don't have a set itinerary. I just gonna go with the flow, and when I'm tired, if I get tired after 3 weeks, my ass will be back in Kenya in 3 weeks. So I'm leaving everything open and I am excited. I feel like I'm finally going home, in a sense that if you're from the Caribbean or Black American, you are most likely West African. If you know the history, you know that this is where we come from. And I feel like when I talk to other African people, the people that I relate the most are West African because our culture and values are similar. So I am finally going back home. I want to know about the culture. I want to learn about the history. I want to know about the food. I want to spend time with locals. I love a village. I want to go to villages. I don't only want to do touristy thing. I really want to explore this country in a different way that I did last year when I did Southern and East Africa. I feel it's going to be a completely different experience and I'm so excited. For some reason, I'm really, really sad that I'm leaving Kenya today. I've been really emotional about that because, again, no matter what happened to me, Kenya is home. And but I'll be back. That's one thing that I realized about myself is as much as I love Kenya, I will never stop traveling to other countries. So me and my baby tomorrow will be on a flight to our first destination. I cannot wait to tell you more about where we're going first, but I'm excited. So let's go.
Then it was time for a mommy night out. We went to enjoy live music at Jaco Cafe and it was a good time. I couldn't stay late because I had to be at the airport by 1 a.m.
It's currently 11:45 p.m. I need to be on my Airbnb in less than an hour, and I haven't packed anything because I decided to go out before leaving Kenya. You wish me luck. Let's go. Noah, you ready to go?
Yeah.
And you said?
Yeah.
Noah, where are we going? Where are we going, Noah?
To Senegal.
Yeah.
Bye, Papa. Still mad.
We see you soon, and
Yeah.
This is the moment Noah realized that Ants wasn't coming with us. He was so sad.
okay, so it's currently 2:30 at the airport now, and I'm so exhausted. Like literally everybody I know tried to convince me not to go with Ethiopia Airline, but it was either that with or Kenya's Airways, and I hate Kenya's Airways with a passion. So I would rather try Ethiopia Airline at this point. And also, I don't think you can live on that side of the world and not use Ethiopia Airlines, so I might as well just try it for now. I'm exhausted because the flight is at 4 a.m. and I decided to take that flight. So we had to get to the airport at 1 a.m. So I didn't sleep and I decided to go out and have some drink at night and things like that. Here we are now, 4 a.m. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. The flight is only 2 hours to Ethiopia. From Ethiopia, we go to Dakar, Senegal. And I think we have a stopover in Mali for 1 hour, but we're still in a plane, so I'm just going to sleep. Here we go again, guys. Where are we going, Noah?
To Senegal to speak French.
It's so sweet. Then it was time to board the plane. We had a 4-hour layover in Ethiopia. At that moment, I realized that something was up with Noah. He wasn't acting like himself. And I was right because for the next 10 hours, Noah ended up throwing up every 30 minutes in the plane. Now for the Ethiopia Airline review. Honestly, after everything I heard about them, I was pleasantly surprised. Their service was good and we had a lot of entertainment options on the screen. They didn't have a lot of alcohol available on the plane, but it didn't bother me. As for the food, it was not the best or the worst I tasted in the airline. I personally wouldn't have an issue to fly with them again in the future. After 16 hours of traveling and a sick kid, we finally made it to Dakar, Senegal. I spent the next 48 hours taking care of Noah, so I will see you guys when he gets better. Thank you so much for watching.